Welcome back, guys. Let us continue, please. Do not forget to subscribe. Let us do 3.2 and also 3.4. Okay, so 3.2 it says if tan is equal to 5 over 12. They've given us what tan there. We have tan x, it's equals to 5 over 12. All right, so says and x is an acute angle, determine cos to x. Acute angle, let's say I've given a Cartesian plane. Acute angle, obviously it's angle that is less than 90. It will be here on the first quadrant, our triangle. You'll have your x here, tan is opposite over adjacent. We have 5 adjacent, we have what, 12 there. So if we want hypotenuse, we use Pythagoras to have this side there. So we can apply the Pythagoras so that we can have the hypotenuse. Pythagoras states that y squared plus x squared must be equal to r squared, right? Our y is 5 there. We square this plus our x there is 12. You square this. I want r, I will take the square root outside. Therefore, the r whereby its hypotenuse will be what? The square root of 12 squared plus and there 5 squared. Isn't it? Is 12 squared plus 5 squared. Alright, so this is 13. So that means here we'll have what? We'll have 13. That is the triangle there. So we can have, now we can do that cos. The shape should determine cos 2x. Cos 2x. This is a double angle. This will be the same as what? You can, any the one that you prefer. This is the same as 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Remember we have 3. You can use the one that says 2 cos squared x minus 1, or you can use the one that says cos squared x minus sine squared x. Is up to you. So let us, we have 1 minus 2 sine, it's what is opposite over hypotenuse. So this will be what? Will be hypotenuse is 5 divide opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 13. You divide this by 13, then you square, because you have the square there, you square. So we'll have 1 into that, into 2 there, you multiply there, laws of exponents, there you square that, 13 squared. This is what we have there mathematically. So there we still have this will be what now? We have 1 minus 2. This is the same as 25. 5 raised to the power of 2 is the same as 25. There it's the same as you have 25 over 13 squared. It's the same as 169. There, this is what we have there. All over that, multiply. So if we punch this on a calculator, 2 multiplied by 25 over 169, this must be what? Will give us 119 divided by 169. So this is the value that you'll get actually. Cos is equal to what? Therefore cos 2x must be equals to 119 over 169. All right, so what is another that? Okay, let's go to, now we are done with that 5 marks. 3.4 says derive the formula for 1 over sextupled in terms of sign only. We want this thing to contain what? sine only. They say derive in terms of what? Of sine only there. In terms of sine only. All right. How can you go about that? So we have there 1 over sec 2 theta. We know, guys, 1 over this is the same as what? Guys, this is the same as it's the same as cos 2 theta. Why? Remember, we have 1 here over this guy is the same as what? 1 over cos 2 theta. So this will simply give us what? Cos 2 theta. So check a note about that. But they said in terms of sine, derive this. We know this is equal. Check here. We say this is equal to this. This guy is equal to that. Now let's check now. What can we do now? But we have cos now. Cos 2 theta. All right. Cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta? Simplify. Change cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta has 3 things. But we want the one that, remember here, it has cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Also it has the one that says 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, and the one that says 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So we want in terms of what? Of sine, we'll use this one. It consists of sine only, the middle one. So this will simply equals to what? To 1 minus sine minus 2 sine squared theta. This is equal to 1. Remember, we said this is equal to that. So this is the same as 1 over sec 2 theta. It's equal to this in terms of what? This is your 5 marks. This is in terms of what? This is in terms of sine. This is what you have in terms of sine. How we took it. Yeah, that is only what you're supposed to do here. Nothing that much. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe there. Here you are.